Welcome. In front of me is an HTC U24 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, swipe down from the top of the screen like so twice, and this will show you a bunch of toggles, and obviously we're looking for the screen recording toggles, so let me just swipe through pages. Nope, not what I wanted to click on. Swipe through, okay, so there's only 2 pages. Oh, there we go. So once you find the toggle, which took me a bit of time to actually find it, you can then click on it, and it gives you a pop-up letting you choose what kind of audio will be recorded, and also select if you want to record touches on the screen. I'm gonna keep everything as it's set by default. Click on start. This begins a 3-second countdown and then starts recording. And there's an annoying sound. So if you open up some kind of applications, they will be recorded. And once you're done recording, you can just pull your notifications again, and here you can see we have the notification regarding the screen recording. Click on stop, and this saves your screen recording to your Photos application. Let's navigate to collections and videos. For some reason Google has been recently a bit annoying in terms of screen recordings, where I cannot find them in here. Hopefully there is also gallery. Let's quickly look. Unfortunately, there's no other album kind of thing to view your photos here. And Google, like I said, Photos is just absolute dog shit and doesn't show up photos like screenshots anymore for some reason. So I'm gonna show you the screenshot. I mean, typically it should be in there, but anyway, I'm gonna show it a different way. So I'm gonna go to File Explorer, which should be, there we go, right here. And Google Photos might not be showing it, but this most certainly should. Images, let's see, videos. Oh, for God's sakes, where is it? Wow, so is that the only way I can view it? Fantastic. So genuinely speaking, I don't know what is happening here. This was never really the problem, but by default, if everything works as it should in a perfect world, either you should be able to find it in your files under videos, logically thinking, or you should be able to find it in Google Photos under album called screen recordings, which neither one of those exists on this amazing device for unknown reason. Like I said, this has been recently a thing that I've been experiencing. It could be that someone at the company is changing some settings and I don't know, maybe it doesn't have permission or something, as there's a bunch of people recording it, but by default it should work, as I mentioned. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.